In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can get shaders here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition without using any mods. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want shaders here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, this is going to work whether you're on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even some mobile devices. And you're not going to have to download any mods or any other add-on downloads. Essentially, from the main menu, just go to this little settings tab right here and scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see this video option. Once you're in here, you're going to see a graphics mode on here. Essentially, go ahead and select this and switch it to vibrant visuals. After you select that, select favor visuals right here. And this is going to enable higher quality lighting and shading. From here, just make sure that you scroll down and you see all these other vibrant visuals options. Open this up and make sure that all of these settings right here are the way that you want them, and you can customize them accordingly. I'm actually going to increase my FOV a little bit here as well. But the big thing is that you make sure that you have settings like, fancy leaves on here turned on, fancy clouds turned on, fancy bubbles turned on as well. You can also increase any of these other sliders. It really is up to you. But once that's done, load into a world and you'll immediately notice better lighting, softer shadows, improved clouds, and light fog effects. Now, these obviously aren't as intense as Java shaders, but this is the built-in shader support for Bedrock, and it runs really smooth. Again, no third-party mods, no texture packs, no risk, and if your device really does support it, it's ready to go. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.